If you want to get the best socket set according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position we have DeWalt Mechanics Tools Kit and Socket Set. This robust 142-piece toolkit from DeWalt comes with sockets, hex keys, screwdrivers, and other tools to help you tackle your DIY projects. It uses direct torque technology for better gripping and to prevent rounding of fasteners, and it is available in multiple set sizes. The case adds an extra layer of security to keep you from losing them. These chrome sockets also have a corrosion-resistant vanadium finish. Moving on to the next, at number 2 with DeWalt Mechanics Tool Set. This 205-piece socket set comes with a 72-tooth ratchet that requires just 5 degrees of movement to tighten nuts and bolts. It also includes other useful tools, such as Allen wrenches for fastening hex screws and extension bars for tightening hard-to-reach bolts. These tools have a chrome, corrosion-resistant finish and comes with an anti-slip screwdriver. The number 3 position is held by Garinch 35PC, great for small or light-duty, on-the-go jobs. This 35-piece set can easily fit in toolboxes, workbench drawers, or other compact places. The tools in the socket set have a full chrome polish for long tool life, and the blow-molded case features a spot for each tool for safe storage. The ratchet tool adapts for both 5x16-inch bits and 1x4-inch drive sockets. The micro driver delivers up to a 6-degree swing arc, and the screwdriver bits use an internal bit feature for improved fastener retention. Next, at number 4 we have Miko 2448, a 1x2-inch dry master impact socket set, constructed from drop-forged steel and coated in black phosphate. This socket set from NEIKO is made to withstand a variety of intense work environments. Though the set only comes with 65 pieces for basic home improvement projects, these pieces will last a lifetime. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by MIXPOWER 3x8-inch drive deep impact socket set. This modestly sized deep impact socket set comes with 48 pieces in a hard plastic case. Features a 6-point opening and radius corner designed to reduce wear and increase torque. Each socket is clearly labeled with laser etching and has its own spot inside the carrying case so homeowners can stay organized. The set also comes with a 1-year quality guarantee. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.